What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. And today's vlog is so exciting because your girl is doing something that I always wanted to do for the longest, but I just been holding it because I just wanted to wait till the right day and the right time to do it. So I think in the vlog I showed you guys of me getting my hair colored and dyed. So this is my original color right here, guys. It's black right here, and then I had got this strand of black on there, brown. It's like a light brown. So this is like the color of it and everything. And like this is what it looks in the back. Like, so my hair is currently, y'all, a year and some months. July 22nd, 2022, this year, it's gonna hit 2 years. So we are almost there, y'all. And I've came a long way. Let me tell you guys, a long way. Like, I'm gonna put like pieces of pictures of what my hair looked like from the beginning to the middle to now. Y'all, it is crazy. Literally, my locks in the beginning was like right here, to be honest, like being dead serious right here. My back of my hair, y'all, I didn't have no inches or length in the back of my hair. Like this, looks in my back. Y'all see how long this is? My hair, I didn't have that. It was like so itty bitty because I had an undercut, and I had continued to do undercuts and undercut, and I was just getting the shade, and then after that I just stopped getting the shade and let my hair grow, and I was just like putting rubber bands or like, you know, 2-strand twisted with, you know, the little bitty air I got right now and lock, y'all. A year later, some months later, look at this. The growth, y'all, the growth, like, yes, I've been away. Y'all, just wait until my hair hit my shoulders. That is the goal, is my hair to hit my shoulders, and then I am, period, like, stiff wear. This is natural, baby. This is my hair, baby, and I love where it's at right now. So yes, so I have a hair appointment, y'all, around 6. It's about 4 something. I think it's about to be 5, low key. And your girl is going a lighter. Hey, I'm going lighter. I'm going lighter. Okay, so locks are just the dream come true, y'all. It's all about the locks. Like, when I see girls and like different people like on Instagram, Pinterest with locks in it, oh my gosh, y'all, I get butterflies, I get chills because I just love seeing them. Like the textures, like everybody has different textures, and the ones that's like so curly, the ones that y'all don't understand. If y'all have locks, y'all, comment below the length that you guys have, how many years y'all been, like, y'all don't understand. I love locks. I'm so excited that I had started my journey because I was just like, I want to be like that, you know? So your girl got a hair appointment, and I'm going lighter, and I'm gonna vlog the process because I'm so excited. My stylist is so excited. Like, I freaking love my stylist. Like, one of my family friend had told me about her, and when I first went to her till now, she has been slaying my hair, making my hair grow with the products and stuff, and I just love her so much. I'm gonna put her name right here if you guys are in the KCIM, so Kansas City, Missouri location. I'm gonna put her name right here. Y'all go get y'all hair done. She does protective styles like braids. She does, like, you know, slip backs. She does locks, braid, men's hair, actually. Just everything, y'all. I'm gonna make sure y'all get in touch with her, and I'm gonna put her information in the description too, y'all. So yes, like, y'all, I'm so freaking excited. So right now, I'm just chilling right now until I go. But I just wanted to get this video started because I'm so freaking excited for this color. And yesterday, I low-key was talk. I can't even speak, y'all, because I'm so happy. Yesterday, I was talking to my dad, and I was telling him, okay, this is the color I'm getting in my hair. And I showed him I'm gonna show you guys the inspo, like the inspo I seen. That's why I wanted to get the color so bad. And it's not the hair, it's the roots. It's the color of her roots that I am getting. And I'm just like, oh, yes. So I told my dad about it, and I was just like, this is the color. He was like, okay, it's cute. Okay. My daddy approved. Because y'all, low key, like back in the day when we was little, we could not get color in our hair. We could not dye our hair. We could not cut it. We could not do anything when it came to my parents. Like, it was a no, 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 no. No this, no this, no that. Like, dress, I wanted dress longs. That was like, no. No. I am 23 years old, y'all. And I told my dad I'm getting my hair done. And he was like, okay. It's me. So I'm over here, y'all, trying to make this transition for TikTok. And let me tell you, I'm so horrible with transitions, and I just cannot get it at the right point. But I remember I had like different transitions that I did that was so good, that shows my hair and all that. And I'ma just use it. Yep, I'ma just use it because I did so many tries and I failed. But I'm sitting in the parking lot. I made it to my appointment, and I'm just gonna wait until she tells me to come in, and all that good stuff. It is 6:33, so yeah, there's no rush. I'm thinking of getting something to eat, but I don't know. I might just wait until I get back home and all that. But other than that, I am about to watch some YouTube. I was watching Jessie Wu's vlog for today. I'm not done with it. I need to finish it because my girl Jessie Wu has been dropping videos back to back, and I just love it. So I need to catch up on that. I have a video that I'm editing at the same time. I must get started on this video to edit, and then I have another one that I need to export to my MacBook. So I just need to put some little touches to that. And yeah, so I'm gonna be sitting here chilling. And one thing, y'all. Hey y'all. This is my stylist, y'all.
They like, wow. Don't worry about that. Mind your business.
I was just starting the vlog this morning, and I was just like, my stylist is gonna be killing it.
I'm excited. Oh my god! And then okay. So I got a book.
You have a book?
And we just squeezing the color in her locks. I'm just easing it through the transition. Check it out.
Hey. So this about to be fire. Shoot. You should see how long my locks are. Like,
look how long.
It's crazy.
Check it out, y'all. And did they see when you started?
Yes.
Y'all, look at the progress.
That is crazy.
That's crazy.
No, literally, I was telling you about my backs, like how they was so itty bitty.
That is crazy, y'all. Her backs is reaching too, don't you, Fred? That's crazy. So fast, y'all.
I came a long way.
It grew fast.
I'm just waiting till it hits my shoulders.
You almost look.
I'm almost there.
Girl, like what? Y'all, her hair grew so fast. It was so nice watching it. But they were perfect when you first came. I'm like, listen, put them on my head.
You was like, who did these?
No.
And you was shocked when I told you I did them.
Y'all, she did them. So now when I be ready to do my locks, I just think about my clients. Like, yeah, I know somebody to start mine.
Shoot, I was just messing around.
Look at that. Look at that beautiful root. Y'all see the thickness and health in that? And then it just stretches consistently across the shaft of the lock.
Perfect.
Yes, love. And then when you came in, you really looked like your retwist was still here.
It was still, because yesterday is when I took out the 2-strand twist. Literally yesterday.
Okay,
I kept them in for like months after you did mine.
What the world?
That's so cute.
Came out perfect.
Yes. My dad about to be shocked. My dad about to be like, you really did it. Yes, I did.
Look at that bang, baby.
That.
Look at that bang, baby.
Woo!
And then it's more vibrant when we shampoo it.
Oh my god.
That's the exciting part.
I feel like it's about to be good.
We added some nice little copper to the roots to see what it's gonna do. See what kind of offset we're gonna get from the root and the shaft of the lock. We're here to play and slay. Same time. Just adding to each block. Just right there at the beginning.
I feel like when it's in the sun, it's gonna pop out.
Yeah, it like really show. Give you two different looks, like with the sunlight and without.
Like, yeah, I'm done my hair. That's crazy. Five.
The moisturizer shampoo. Make sure we get all of that color out of her mouth.
Yes, y'all. Yes, like felt it. It looks off right now, but I feel like it has to sit and then you actually see the color. I took pictures and stuff like that, so I'll just insert at the end. But yeah. But before to now, y'all, in the light, see, it's like you can't really see it from how dark the light is. But this is the color, y'all. Just see it. This is the color. And I freaking love it so much. And the roots, y'all. So we add like a copper color to the roots. There's some that touch, but some did not touch. And when I go back, the whole head is gonna be this honey blonde color right here. But love it so much. And yeah, so I hope you like this video because we was all over the place, and I was so glad that I actually vlogged the whole thing process and stuff like that. So if you loved it, guys, make sure you give a like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, and if you guys comment below if you guys want me to give a lot more of my lock updates, because I'm willing to, because I feel like I should be able to share my journey with you all, because I know there's some people probably in the same stage as me. So yes. So it's time for me to go to bed. I gotta wake up for work in the morning, sadly. But anyway, like I said, hope you like this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.